Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log in online banking of US Bank. In order to log in, first of all, you must have an account, only then you'll be able to log in. Before we get started, make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. Let us get started. In order to log in US Bank, first of all, you'll have to head towards your web browser, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As soon as you open your web browser, right on top you can see search box. So then you'll have to type in the link, that is www.usbank.com, and also you can find the link on my description box. So as you type in the link on the other page, you will land inside the official site. On this following page, in the top right corner, tap on login. As you tap on login, you can see there is a drop down menu. So from there, right on top, you can see there is account type. So first of all, you'll have to select your account type. So in order to select, you can see right in the corner there is a small arrow icon. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see there are a list of options. So from here, you'll have to select your account type. And after you're done selecting your account type, under it you'll have to provide your username. So you must enter your correct username that is associated with your US Bank account. Once you're done entering your username, under it you'll have to provide your password. So make sure to enter your correct password, and in case if you are confused with the password, you can tap on show in order to recheck it. Also, right on top you can see there is remember my username. In case if you don't want to type in or enter your username every time you log in, so then mark on remember my username. Next time when you try to log in, you don't have to enter your username. So once you're done entering all your information, right at the bottom you can see login, and then tap on login. And once you tap on login, on the other page will land inside your online banking account of US Bank. In case you are not able to log in because of your incorrect username or your password, what you can do is you can simply tap on get login help, which is in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is fill up some criteria, and after that you'll be able to recover your account. And that is how you can log in into your online banking account of US Bank. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.